Remove this headrest. Insert with a crowbar and push against the buckle, tilt up. After the crowbar is inserted from here, press this point downwards. Push the headrest up. Push against this sponge. The headrest latch is pulled out. Remove the buckles in both places. There are 2 clips in these 2 holes. Pry them up. Pry it open and pull out the back plate. Deadlift here. You can take it off. These 2 hooks are stuck here, then the headrest pin. Into this hole. Remove the back plane and the 2 lower suspenders. Remove the cover plate from the back panel. Gently pry it open. Remove the cover plate. Remove the module under the seat. Unplug it. Adapter cable. Connect the other end back to the module. Reinstall the module. Remove the clips on both sides of the seat. Stuff the sponge. Insert 2 strips of sponge on one side. After stuffing the sponge, snap the clasp back into place. Stuff some sponge into the other side as well. Restore clip. Slide it diagonally into the bracket. For use with surface mount nuts. Tighten the screws on both sides to secure it. The bracket must be securely snapped onto the frame. The bracket must be securely snapped onto the frame. Run the power cord through the frame. Stick this self-adhesive foam to the frame. Replace the original headrest cover. The pegs are inserted into the frame. Connect the tabletop power supply. Close the back panel. Open the desktop. Tighten the 4 mounting screws on the tabletop. Testing the opening and closing of the tabletop. Install the decorative panels. Installation complete.